Channel 3 early warning weather with meteorologist Mark Dixon.
All right, we have so much to talk about in the realm of weather, so we're going to get right to it. We're first and foremost talking about the threat for rain and thunderstorms that could produce even some flooding concerns as we head to the graphics. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. There we go. We're talking about a storm system that will interact with the remnants of Barry. So this could lead to tropical downpour starting tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, at least into Thursday morning, maybe even Thursday afternoon. Could see an inch or two of rain in parts of the state locally, higher amounts. Also tracking what will be our most intense heat wave of the year. Is going to likely kick off on Friday, last through at least Monday of next week. So a 4-day heat wave will be the hottest in 2019. And I have on here the last 100-degree day. That was back on July 18th of 2012, because we do have a 100-degree day on our 7-day forecast. More on that in just a moment. High humidity also is going to be a big role, factoring in that dangerous combination with the heat, as heat index values could go up to 105, perhaps as high as 110, perhaps 112. So more on that again momentarily. Here across the state currently we have readings in the upper 80s and low 90s inland, and along the shoreline we're currently in the 80s. So we do have a southerly component to the wind helping to bring in some higher humidity. Maybe notice today it was a bit muggier than yesterday. Well, it's going to become oppressively humid later on this week. So readings inland in the 60s, along the shoreline 65 to 70 right now. Our ICAM view from Hartford showing just a veil of high clouds dimming the sun just a little bit. A nice scene coming in from New Haven, as you can see there, Harkness Tower. But on early warning pinpoint Doppler zoomed into extreme northwestern Connecticut there, Salisbury down Route 7 to Sharon. Some rain across eastern New York, sliding in the direction of northwestern Litchfield County. So may get a little rain, maybe a rumble or two of thunder, but a lot of this should die out as the evening progresses. It's in advance of a storm system that eventually brings that wet weather to Connecticut starting later tomorrow afternoon. So high pressure moves offshore. A warm front's going to bring in the really muggy and just oppressively humid air mass. That area of low pressure around St. Louis, that's what's left of Hurricane Barry, and it's going to interact with this cold front that's going to be sliding in our direction. So those ingredients coming together for some thunderstorms and again those tropical downpours. With regard to severe weather, not a high threat, can't rule out a strong to marginally severe storm tomorrow afternoon and evening. Those that develop could produce some heavy rain, of course, vivid lightning, and perhaps some gusty damaging winds. So here's how it all times out on Futurecast. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning we'll already have the cloud cover, as it's going to be increasing overnight. It's tomorrow afternoon that we'll start to see those thunderstorms become numerous and move across the state. Heavy at times, again, those flashes of lightning, rumbles of thunder could be expected. We'll see several waves moving through Connecticut. Here's, say, Thursday morning, 2 a.m. And then as we head towards, say, 7 o'clock on Thursday morning, around the commute time, still some lingering showers, still some remnant moisture to contend with throughout the day on Thursday. So some downpours even through that afternoon. So we'll start the day tomorrow, or Wednesday, between 70 and 75. So much warmer and muggier start to the day. And highs tomorrow, 85 to 90, very much dependent upon how much sunshine we see. Dew point values tomorrow, they're going to go up considerably, but it's later in the week. Again, this is looking at Futurecast regard to Friday. Heat index values up and over 100 degrees. As we head into Saturday afternoon and evening, heat index values up and over 110. So we've got a lot of big weather headlines that we're going to be tracking for you over the next several days. So with the clouds and rain on Thursday, forecasting temperatures to only top out near 80, but behind that storm system on Friday, 97. There's the 100-degree day on Saturday. Then on Sunday, upper 90s. And then on Monday, still looking at the chance for temperatures to reach or exceed 90, but also a chance for rain and storms on Monday with a cold front that will finally bring high temperatures back into the mid-80s by Tuesday of next week. And there's a look at shoreline highs, close to 90 on Friday, then low 90s for Saturday and near 90 on Sunday.